So this is Group 1's Unit 2 and 3 group video. For this video, we have decided that we are each going to focus on a specific article from our Horizon report and talk about a specific ISTE standard with that article from the article that we chose out of our Horizon report.
All right, I chose to focus on one of the short-term trends in the 2017 library report called Valuing the User Experience. This section was a valuable support of the ISTE standards for the coaches, the digital age learning environment. I learned that ethnography is the study of research, behavior, and librarians that they're using to help support changes within the library environment. They also specified that the user's library experience is greatly dependent on the ease of research and the proactive customer service of the librarians. The outcomes of these instances correlate highly with the user's decision to return to use library services. Another improvement that must be made is in regards to signage. The signage can deter people from participating in library functions. For example, finding digital resources, directions on how to print wirelessly, and they further spoke of the IDEOs. These resources are created by master librarians to inspire others and offer methods to apply design thinking.
All right, hi, this is Marion. I chose to focus in on the midterm trend in the Horizon report on K through 12, and that is on focusing on measuring learning, which I related easily to the ISTE standard for educators on 7C. Designing and using assessment to help students make progress in their learning. And I think when I relate that back to the Horizon article, it talks about the advancement of data mining software and online learning environments that can help teachers, students, administrators, and coaches incorporate learning experiences based on what they know about differentiated instruction based on students' responses.
Okay, so I did the 2017 Library Horizon report also, and I focused on the Rethinking Library Spaces trend article. I connected that with the ISTE Administrator Standard for Excellence in Professional Practice. The number one thing that stood out to me in that article was the FlexSpace Flexible Learning Environment Exchange Initiative. And I actually created an account. I really, really like it. It's a great idea on how to create a library. It's idea sharing with other educators on how to create a library space to fulfill this ISTE standard of helping physically integrate the technology, stimulate a learning community, nurture and support the use of technology through the physical layout, and for collaboration also.
Okay, well, I did, can you hear me?
Yay, hi.
Yes.
Hi, okay, perfect. Okay, well, I did the 2017, the higher education, K through 12, and I did the significant challenges impeding technology in higher education, and that one focused more with universities as they're changing softwares to become more for online courses. Australia and Texas A&M, they're becoming more open with giving more classes to the students and letting them do like online courses. Kind of connects to us, like what we're doing. You know, we're furthering our education and taking online courses, and it helps them with time and money. And I connected it to the ICE for educators because it becomes easier to engage with different learning resources. It's challenges because it's based on different higher education needs. And that's about it.
Okay, so even though we all did different reports, different articles, I feel like there was a lot to be gained from what we each said in this and what stood out to us. Does anybody else have any feedback before we stop?
No, good job.
We're good.
That's it.